Alright guys, take two. Put the battery on the charger, our Genix 5200. Switched out to the 80 amp ESC. And hopefully work the bugs out. Well, so far so good. Got me a cup of Folgers caramel. Any luck, she'll run pretty good. Now this has been upgraded with our winter's evening bearings. They're the rubber sealed. And we also put in a little coggy, but not really. I really got to fix that. Especially running with no body. Well, we got reverse. That's a good. Oh, this car will probably be running against the DF03 Lawrence. So far, so good. It's real slick. Ooh. So, I don't know if anybody else saw RC Kicks. Little thing about Tamiyas and racing. He's probably right. But why can't I race with this, man? Doesn't mean you have to be like ultra competitive. Maybe there needs to be more of that kind of racing. Because pretty much the way I look at it is, my cars are $100 budget cars, you know. If I get a good deal on a $200 car for $100, then I'll go up to about 150 max generally. And any car that I got that's bigger, probably for some trades, you know. Other than my LC, of course. But anyways. Back end of me seems a little bit slappy. I'm not sure. Might need some fresh oil. So I gotta decide what kind of body I want for this. I could use this. It's a gravel hound, so I can get away with a plasma edge or a gravel hound, same thing. Ugh. So then we're gonna turn that jump into a dirt jump. Still have grass on top, and I gotta change that angle. That one jump always pushes the front down. Anyways, still feeling pretty crappy, but I wanted to come outside for a cup of coffee. I figured, well, might as well throw that ESC on there anyway. Ooh, that was a good jump. Ooh, that was a good jump too. It won't take me long to get some zen with this guy. I've been thinking about changing this up. Exclusive RC had mentioned that I got a lot of wasted space, and he's right. I gotta figure something out. Hey, why aren't I coming down here? I haven't been down on this side of the woods in a while. This is a good car. It might not hold up to those newer Team Associated, but for the price range, I mean, basically it's TT02B right now. I'd go that way in general. I mean, these are dime a dozen in Japan, but it seems like that's the way it is. The DFs are heavy over there. Hopefully you guys are seeing this. Got surprises coming, hopefully next week or so. Got some accompaniments for the track. keep it looking cool. This is my cool section of the track. Whoa, that was nice. Oof. So I'm not sure I want to fill this, because maybe I'll get some, get a little hop jump here. I don't know. What do you guys think? Car runs real good. Tires are everything. It just runs good. Suspension is nice with the CVAs. It's a good setup. Definitely doesn't need the 3650, but the 80 amp does it well. It's not overpowering, and I don't think I've gone more than a quarter throttle this whole time. Anyways, I'm starting to zen out a little bit. See, I like how my track, I can section it off into smaller video sections. Like, this is really more for smaller cars right there, but then you can, without having to travel too far. Anyways, she's running good. No complaints at all. Might be able to compete with Lauren with the pink car, so, and that's the game plan. So next on the docket is Spotty, and yeah, running good. Like and subscribe, guys. I hope you're digging. I'll see you when I see you. Peace.